Hello everybody, I'm Dragoș from the SQL Hero team, and last week I came across a Discord bot that was generating images based on some input text, and I said, why not share it with you? So in this video, I will present you how to set up a Discord account, how to add the AI bot to your channel, and how to use it to generate some brilliant images. These are some creations made with the AI bot, so stay till the end to see how it's done. Let's start by creating the Discord account. You can skip this step if you already have one. So, Google Discord. Now choose the first option. Press login. And in our case, we'll choose register. This is a basic create account window, like you will have to type in the email, username, password, date of birth. You'll have to check this checkbox, and the second one is optional, so I'll leave it like that. And now continue. See that there is a problem with that. Okay, I forgot the .com. Now continue. And you'll be requested to prove that you're a human. So check the I am human box. Now click on images containing a parrot. This one, this is easy. And verify. Let's create a server where we will add the bot. I'll name it AI Bot. Create. And we can close this. This is the channel we created before. The bot that I was talking about is created by a company named Midjourney. So in order to add the bot to our channel, we'll have to go on the company website. You can find the link in the description of this video. Now press join beta and accept invite. The channel of Midjourney is now added to your Discord. Here we can see some creations of the AI bot. These all look really great. Look at the details. Wow. Let's add the bot to our channel. You'll do that by searching here in the right top corner. Midjourney Bot. You'll choose the first option. And now press on the bot itself. Okay, before that, we'll have to verify our email address. Let's resend. And now you should go on your email account to check the mail. After verifying it, you can press on the Midjourney bot, add to server, choose the server you want to use the bot, it's AI bot, and continue. Leave all of them checked and authorize. Again, the I am human verification. We can close it and let's go on the channel. we can see that Midjourney Bot is now on our server. So before starting to generate images, it's good to know that you won't have unlimited generation possibilities because this is a free version. So you will be limited to, I don't know, 20-30 images. But the good news is that you can extend the plan and generate up to 200 or more images based on the plan you choose. So let's start. This will work like a chat where you send a message to the bot and he will create an image. So to command the bot to create the image, you should type here /imagine. Now press enter, and in the prompt part you'll have to type the text based on which you will generate the image. Let's start with something like child running on a field with flowers, realistic, blue, yellow. Now press enter. Okay, before that we have to accept the terms of service. Run the same command again and press enter. We can see that the bot has started to think. This part can take up to 1 minute. Now that the bot has finished the job, we can see that we have more options here, a lot of options here, like U1, 2 till 4 and V1 till 4. So the U means that you can upscale the picture. 1 is this, 2, 3, 4, and that means that you add more details to the image. And the V means that you create some variations based on this image. Let's choose to make some variation based on the fourth one. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll choose V4. And right now you'll see 4 images similar to this one. Now I like this one, so I will choose to upscale it. Let's press U1. This already looks good. So let's wait for the final result. This already looks good, so we have the option to upscale it to max. Let's see how it looks at the end. Okay, the bot has finished his job, so we can display it in a bigger format by clicking on it. And now open original. And this is simply awesome. It looks like it is handmade. Look at the details. Wow. Okay, let's try something else. Something that for sure wasn't painted. Again, let's press Imagine. Now enter. And let's try something like Statue of Liberty, Sunrise, Van Gogh style. Let's see what comes out. Again, the 8 options, 4 upscale and 4 variations. So I'll choose to create some variation based on this. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be V3. I love this one, so I will try to upscale it. It's 1 U1. And now upscale it to max. Let's look at it. Wow, this looks good. I'm thinking to print this and to hang it on my wall. Now, let's close it and let's do the picture from the thumbnail, because it wasn't only clickbait. So again, imagine. I will use this text: happy zombie with tulips on the head. Now press enter. Okay, I like this one more. Let's see some variation based on that. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, V2. This looks good, so let's see it in more detailed version. It's the U3. And now upscale it to max. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you like this. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are into SQL stuff or data in general, click the subscribe button. Now, if you're looking for some work or focus music, you can try the Code With Me playlist. And if you want to learn some SQL tricks, watch the Work Stories playlist. Thank you and see you in the next video. Don't forget to be a hero.